Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is some grilled tilapia. Yes, you're going to grill tilapia today. Very tasty and scrumptious, and you're going to love every bit of it. You remember the Bible verse that says, "It set a table before me in the presence of my enemies." Yes, this is exactly what it means. Setting a table before you in the presence of your enemies. So you're going to go into the recipe, but before then, please subscribe if you have not yet done so. It's free. Like and share this video. Okay, so this is our tilapia. I visited my brother and saw this tilapia in his fridge. I said, no, 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 I am living with this. Yes, we are going to clean the tilapia. Now let me tell you one thing about tilapia. If you want to maintain its taste and you know you are not going to use it now, don't dress it. Just take the intestines and those things out, and then just leave it like that in the freezer, and it will still be tasty. But if you decide to clean it, like dress it this way, and then season it and keep it in the fridge for days or weeks, the taste will change. Do you get it? So if you know you're not going to use it the same day, then don't dress it and season it. Just take the intestine out and then keep the scales and everything on it. So after cleaning, we are going to wash it very well, and the next thing we are going to do is also reduce the smell of the fish. Do you get it? You know, tilapia has a strong smell, and you need to wash it in a way that will reduce the smell or the scent. Do you get it? Okay, so before we do that, what you are going to do is to create some insertions in the fish, some lines in the fish. Yes, and then we have a bowl of water. We are going to add salt to the water, and then we are also going to use lemon to clean it, to get the smell out or to reduce the strong scent of the fish. Do you get it? Yes. So we'll just be squeezing the juice, and then I will just cut the lemon into two and then put it in the bowl of water, and I'm going to leave the fish in it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Do you get it? Use it to wash it very well and let the lemon soak it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and that will be fine. Do you get it? Please like and share this video for me, and leave a comment as well. Subscription is free. So after 10 minutes, we just took it from the water, place it on our board. You can pat it dry with your tissue. You need to get it dry. So I'm just sprinkling some salt, applying salt all over it. Yes, making sure that it gets to every corner, and some seasoning. Just use any seasoning of your choice. Apply it all over. Yes, and I'm going to add black and white pepper also to it, and then season it very well. Yes, so black and white pepper on both sides. Okay, and then I'm going to leave it in the bowl, cover with a cling film, and then leave it in the fridge for like 30 minutes, not in the freezer, in the fridge for 30 minutes. So we are going to prepare the sauce you are going to use to grill the fish. So I have red chili, I have some natural spices, I have ginger, I have green bell pepper. We are going to add the seeds of the green bell pepper to it. I have garlic, I have spring onions and onions. You are going to blend all that, and I'll leave one of the onions. So I have coconut oil poured in my pan, added some onions, sliced onions, and I'm going to add a blended ingredient to it. I'll add water to the blender and then rinse and add it to what is on fire. Stir. I'm going to add bay leaves and then a negro pepper to it, and I'm going to cover and allow it to cook very well. We need to cook this for it to dry, and then the moment you see the oil oozing out, it means your sauce is ready. So I'm adding black and white pepper and some seasoning to it. I want more chili, so I added chili a tablespoon of chili powder to it, my salt to taste, just a little water. Stir it up. I'm going to cover and then let it cook very well. So at this point our sauce is ready. You can see, yes, the oil is out, so we are going to scoop it and then set it aside. Yes, so this is our sauce, and I have my baking tray with my aluminium foil, so I'm going to line it very well. Please like and share this video, leave a comment. So I went for my fish, the tilapia. I'm going to take it out and drain the excess water. Yes, leave it in there. I'm going to apply the sauce on it, all over it. Yes, make sure that every corner gets some of the sauce very well. Apply it very well. So I'm going to use my hands to make sure everywhere is filled or occupied with the sauce. Be generous with it. So I'm going to put or place lemon there. You can even place carrots there just to keep the fish in shape. And then I'm going to cover the fish with another aluminium foil. I'm going to bake this in my gas oven very low. Set it very low for 20 minutes. Now we are going to add green sauce to it. So I'm going to make use of green chili, garlic, ginger, green bell pepper. So I blended all the ingredients, added it to my coconut oil, added a little bit of water, stirred together. I added some seasoning off camera. Now, what is grilled tilapia without banku? So this is our cassava dough, and I'm going to add it to the water. I'm going to mash this with my hands. Yes, mash it very well. And as you are mashing, you are also trying to indicate if there is something in, maybe somewhere not well blended or grinded, then you take it out. So I'm adding my corn dough also to it, and then mash that one also very well. Please like and share this video, leave a comment as well. Okay, so I added salt to it. Let's check on our green chili. It's ready. As I said, I added seasoning salt to it off camera. So this is it. It's ready. So you're going to take it off fire and then set our banku on it, and we are going to prepare our banku. Yes. So the 20 minutes is up, and then our fish is out, so we are checking on it. Okay, so at this point I'm going to take the aluminium foil from it, and I'm going to leave it in the oven for another 15 minutes. Now what I did was also to apply some of the sauce on it off camera before putting it back in the oven, and also added oil to it. Yes, if you don't want your tilapia to be dry, be applying oil on it intermittently while in the oven. So I did that off camera. When it comes to the tilapia, it depends on how you want it. If you want it very dry or a bit dry, you will leave it in the oven for some time. But if you want it soft or juicy, then it shouldn't be in the oven for long, but it should be well cooked too. So we are preparing our banku. I'll add water and then cover for it to cook. Yes, then we'll come back, boil a bit, Stir, making sure that the water mixes with the banku very well before we begin to um, press it hard. Yes, you get it. So try and mix it gently. So the moment the water mixes, then that is it. So we are stirring and then stirring. Do you get it? Please like and share this video for me. Subscription is free. And leave a comment as well. Yes. So stir. I'll add another batch of water. Now the banku depends on how soft or how hard you want it. Do you get it? So make sure that you add water according to how you want the outcome to be. Do you get it? So our banku is now ready, and the next thing we are going to do is to mold it. Do you get it? So the banku has really cooked very well. It has cooked very well. Look at it. Yes. Okay, so I have my calabash with my rubber. I'm going to wrap this and mold it very well. You can use anything that will help you to mold it. You can mold it in a leaf, banana leaves, or anything that will help you. Do you get it? But most of the times this is how we go about it, and then tie it. Or yes, and then this is it. I'm going to mold another one. Yes, please like and share this video, leave a comment, subscribe for me. Subscription is free, very much free. Okay. So molding the second one also. Yes. Okay. And I want to say thank you to all of you, okay, for always watching me. So this is our banku ready for us to enjoy. Now the next thing you're going to do is to add some vegetables to it. You can use any vegetable you so desire. So I'm slicing my vegetables, starting with the carrot. I'm going to do green bell pepper. I will add cucumber, and I'm also going to add cabbage and then spring onions. So I have salt in water, use it to wash. Now I did not wash the pan after the sauce. Do you get it? So I just added oil to it and then added my onions. I'm going to add the carrot to it, cook it a little bit because carrot is hard. Do you get it? Cover for about 1 minute, and then I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables with some seasoning here and there. Stir it together. I'll add my cabbage and spring onions. Stir. We are not supposed to cook this to be very tender, no. So just cover for some few seconds, and our stir fry vegetables ready. So let's check on our fish. Our fish is also ready. So I allowed mine in there for a while. Okay, so we are going to grind pepper. You know, there's no way we are going to enjoy this food without grinded pepper. So I have pepper, onion, and salt, and I'm going to grind this very well. Yes, please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as well. Add my tomatoes. Now the tomatoes, I did not take the seeds out. If you like, you can decide to take the seeds out. I wanted everything in, and so let's grind it for it to be smooth. Even if it's not very smooth, at least it should be smooth. Yes. So our pepper is ready, and I'm going to add some onions to my grinded pepper, and this is our vegetables. We are going to start setting a table before us in the presence of our enemies. Yes, this is our green sauce, and then our red sauce, yes. And we're going to add our banku to it. And hey, get some chilled water. Yes, so this is it. You see, let's try and see how it tastes like. Charlie, this was delicious, I must confess. Plus the banku. Oh my goodness, you will love it. So try and give this a try, and you're going to enjoy every bit of it. So, guys, this is our scrumptious tilapia and banku. Thanks so much for watching. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video, leave a comment, and bye bye.